Relax your spine. Notice your shoulder, chest out, chin up, hips nicely relaxed, chest, rib cage, slow breathing. Deep inhale, exhale. Take a deep, long breath. We'll chant Om 3 times. Observe the movement of O, and when it touches Ma, feel the vibration all over your head. Inhale. Notice these vibrations. Let your body, mind, both sides accept this vibration and spread all over. Behind your closed eyes, visualize your healthy body, peaceful mind. Rub your hands, observe your inner energy. Nicely place over your eyes. Visualize the picture clearly and slowly open your eyes. Please straighten your legs. Start with breathing. Inhale, exhale. Adjust your body with this. Inhale, stretch your toes, create space between each toe. Exhale, close. Inhale, little toe, big toe, middle toes. Stretch them against each other and maximum inhale. Exhale, close your toes, squeeze chest, breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Very good. Ankles move, toes down. Feel your ankle, shin muscles. Stretch heels out. Calf. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Rotate. Slow rotation. Hold your legs, knees. Feel only your ankles. Opposite direction. And release, relax. Lift left leg, hold thigh. Lift foot up, stretch heel up. And rotate your knee. Lift heel, feel your knee stretch and rotate. Up, rotate. Opposite side. Stretch heel up, feel your back side of your knee. Move your foot closer to your face and stretch your heel. Release leg, opposite side. Stretch up and rotate. Stretch up. Stretch up. Opposite direction. More and release. Legs together. Feel your pelvic region, pelvic bones, chin up, shoulders relax, shoulders down, chest breathing, and move pelvic muscles. Stretching right, left, equally balanced. Breathing out slowly, keep breathing out. Do not hold your breath. Make sure the breath is moving. Right, left, equally pressure, equal balance. Move both sides along. Good. Release your legs. Stretch straight. Stretch your arms. Stretch lower back, spine. Move forward. Exhale, come back. Inhale, open chest, chin. Move forward, exhale. Inhale, go back, lift your chin up, stretch your throat, chest, move forward, stretch your whole back, exhale. Opposite direction, move forward, stretch arms, stretch back, open chin and throat, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down, relax. Move your arms back. Lift hips up. Release, relax. Bend knees, sit over your heels. Stretch arm, stretch fingers, create space between your fingers. Exhale down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Palm up. Feel your wrist joint, exhale down. Inhale, open your palm, feel wrist joint tighten, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Hold thumb in, rotate wrist, hold arm, elbow should not move, only wrist rotation, slow and easy. Big circle. Opposite direction. Relax. Open arm, stretch elbow, feel your thumb, open palm, back side, stretch elbow, exhale. Inhale, palm open, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Hold the shoulder, lift your elbow up, feel your side rib cage, move back, go back. Open chest, chin, maximum inhale, exhale. Move your shoulder down, stretch forward, feel back muscles. Inhale up, inhale, exhale. Lift your elbow up, elbow maximum up, go back, move your elbows back, 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 down, down, forward, up, breathe in. Push back, breathe in, push down, breathe out, push forward, breathe out, opposite direction. Exhale, inhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Release, relax. Move forward, feel your spine. Exhale, spine up, head down, curve spine, push belly button in, touch your lower belly with your tailbone, maximum exhale. Come back, inhale up, lower back down, shoulder back, chest out, breathe in, feel your chest, curve the spine, lift your chin, exhale. Belly button in, lower belly in, inhale. Lower belly out, chest out, fill in, curve spine, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Please go back, sit down, stretch your chin. Feel your throat, inhale, move down slowly, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Turn chin right side, inhale. Turn chin left side, exhale. Twist your neck, exhale. Inhale, come back, exhale, opposite side. Inhale, opposite side, exhale. Inhale, opposite side, exhale. Release, come back, turn your head down. Touch right ear with your right shoulder. Exhale out. Slowly come up. Opposite side, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Very good. Loose shoulder down. Bend only neck. Very good. Bend neck. Yes. Move down. Shoulders down. Spine straight. Do not bend the spine. Bend only neck. Yes. Very good. Come up. Opposite side. Exhale. Inhale up, exhale. Come back, press chin down, rotate, draw big circle using chin. And opposite direction. Very good. Release, relax. Slow breathing, feel your rib cage. Slow inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale.